Good afternoon. As we all know, last year ended tragically with the passing of Jacob Bergonia. Jacob meant a lot of different things to a lot of different people, and that definitely holds true here at RDN. Jacob was part of the class last year, and while cleaning out some old drives this year, we came across an old project that Jacob and his partner at the time, Tyler Elam, had not yet completed. In fact, last year we thought that we had lost all of that footage. We didn't. We found it, and one of our staff members, Andrew Kish, took the time out and finished putting that project together. This past Wednesday was Jacob's birthday, and to honor him for this week, we decided not to have a Friday show, and instead we're going to air the finished project from Jacob and Tyler. Jacob is the reporter of this segment as they go in depth of a food review of a nice Mexican restaurant. We hope that you'll watch, follow along, and hopefully laugh along. We miss you, Jacob. Thank you.
Last time on the Friday show, Go gave us a little review on George's Family Restaurant. Today, we're going to be testing out some food at Mexican Chiquito.
So what do you recommend?
I would go with the steak fajita. That's our popular dish here.
All right, then I'll just go with that.
All right, you got it. Uh, 14 years. It's going to be 15 in August, but 15 years. It's family owned. My dad owns it. His name's Ricardo. Well, we got a few, we got a tamale dinner, that's one of our best ones, and then we also got enchilada suiza. That would be our second one. My personal, I would say steak fajitas. I like steak, so I would go with steak fajitas, definitely.
You can tell that these people really take pride in their work.
Wow. I can tell that these people really take pride in their work. Wow. I can tell that these people really take pride in their work.